What is up, everyone? This is more tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows error code. The application was unable to start correctly. Error code 0xc0000142. So let's go right into this. So this is a error code that basically, like I said, it happens for certain applications. It doesn't pop up. The easiest way to fix this is to go to your Google search bar basically and type in Visual Runtime AIO all in one until you see this specific link pop up. It's by Tech Power Up, and you're going to basically open this up. All you need to do is download this. It's a small file. It's less than 100 megabytes, and extract it because it is a zip file. You don't need an extractor. The Windows extractor itself works. Just right click into it and press extract all. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up like the screenshot in here, and you're going to right click into the where it says install _ all. Yours might not say .bat if you don't have extensions options open or shown. So you're just going to right click into that and you're going to just press download run as administrator. This is going to basically install everything in this, that all these execution files you see over here, which is the Visual C++ stuff, which is what's causing the error to begin with, right? So once you do this, you should be good to go and not have that error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please pass it up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. More tutorials out. Peace.